Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, if you want more clarity, you can watch that, Aries. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have transformation, page of water, world. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work circumstances or in your relationship, you are cheerful about your circumstances, you feel really optimistic, and you are curious to take up the opportunities or offers that are coming in your life today, and you are ready to embrace changes in your life. Happy, curious, you want to learn, you want to just you are feeling really adventurous. So that is the way you are in this relationship. You are in that adventurous mode, ready to experience where this relationship is taking you. Feeling really optimistic, trying to be really friendly with this person, and you feel really confident, you trust them, and you're curious to see where things are going in this relationship, where it is taking you. And maybe today in this relationship you are seeing a lot of changes. Something unexpected may happen. You may see good things today, and you may also see some bad things. A lot of changes are happening. Certain circumstances may worry you, stress you. You may think that you have just jumped into this state, jumped into this relationship without thinking, because you were really attracted to this person. That may be the reason you are here with them today. And maybe you are resenting your moves, you are resenting your choice, but you need to understand that experiences are the seed of growth in our life. So it gives us emotional growth, spiritual growth, and we realize the purpose of our life with these changes. And good changes are give us growth. At the same time, even bad changes, maybe something bad, something that is stressing us, that will also influence changes in us spiritually and emotionally. And these experiences are the seed of changes. And you may be really stressed out, you may feel a lot of pain today, Aries, but you need to understand that these changes are necessary for something much better to come into your life. And now you see things more clearly with all these experiences that you have in this relationship. You know what it is, what is happening, and you have a better clarity, and your perception is changing, and you feel that anything is possible in this relationship. Anything is possible in this love. And you are really curious. That is what we were talking about right in the beginning of the reading. So, you have come around. Maybe there are ups and downs, and life goes in cycles. So, you are curious again to know where this relationship is going with all these experience you had in your life in this relationship. So for your relationship we picked one card, and it is 7 of water. So you have a lot of dreams, a lot of plans for this connection. You are imagining about this future, and maybe you need to move towards action or make those efforts necessary. So if you are thinking of commitment, marriage, you must take that next step. Or if you are thinking to move away from this person, but with this card I see that it is something good, but maybe you are waiting, you are not taking that step, you are simply dreaming, but simply dreaming won't be enough today, Aries. So that is the energy with this card. So for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. Page of Fire. So in your work circumstances, you are going to see a positive outcome. Everything is changing and you're really enthusiastic. A new beginning is coming in your life, and you are stepping towards that, moving towards that. A positive change is here for you, Aries, in your career circumstances. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, strangely lonely, holding on way too tight. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are holding on to some ideas or maybe some belief you have, and you are not willing to let go of it. And though you are with people who care for you, who love you a lot, you feel really lonely because you are, holding on to some belief system or something, and you need to connect to it on a day-to-day basis. Maybe you are doing something, maybe practicing some rituals, or holding on to something very deep, something very secretively, and you feel really happy to be in that space, to have that alone time, be in that space, because you have a lot of imagination and you are someone who loves that time with yourself. And today you may not like the people who are disturbing it, and you even fear letting people so close to you that they will come to know what you are deep down, what you are really. So you just keep them away, a step away, shielding yourself. But today the energy with this card is, maybe at least for a moment, you should let go of this obsession or Maybe you should not hide yourself so secretly. You must let at least one person, someone who is truly concerned about you, who truly loves you, to let them come closer to you, let them in. That is going to change, at least for a moment. So you must let go of all your obsession, or maybe you are pushing certain people away from you because you are scared that it will affect that delicate balance you have. And your inner world is much richer than your outer world, so you simply enjoy in that space, in that alone time. But today you need to what to say, if you want to recreate your world in a better way, you must willingly, consciously allow someone close to you that is going to impact you in a positive way. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, Archangel Raphael. So with this card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel stands for healing, and this angel protects us when we are traveling. So if you are traveling, you can pray to this angel for a safe travel. And also this angel card just means that we are healing emotionally, physically and spiritually. So it just helps us, this angel influences us to take up a healthy lifestyle, what will make us heal physically. At the same way, what is emotional healing? Giving up all those toxic feelings that we have. So this angel also assists us in that, and it gives us insight into what is beneficial for us, what is beneficial for us mentally, what is good for us physically, and what is the right thing for us emotionally and spiritually. And this angel stands for healing power, guys. So you can pray to this angel, or you are on the path to healing. So you are changing your lifestyle, trying to do things in a better way, improving your health, and even in your personal life. Maybe you are hurt about something, or you're feeling hurt. You should give up all that hurt, and you must try to be more positive. Give up all those toxic feelings of hurt, resentment, guilt, whatever you have, and move towards positive feelings. Be aware of your circumstances and the blessings that you have in your life today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.